Hello everyone. If you're like me, you probably noticed after a recent update to Home Assistant that they began to deprecate legacy template sensors. I'm going to show you in under 2 minutes how to fix them. Let's go ahead and get started. So let's dive in. The first thing you have to do is you have to go to your wherever you used to edit your YAML files. And if you're like me, how I had them all set up was I had them all segmented in folders. Now you kind of still have to do the same thing with this template. So I'm going to go to where I stored them, which is right here. We got binary sensors. Now these are my new ones. And it looks like I already deleted my old ones. So what's so cool about the way Home Assistant did this is they actually have it right here. And what's so cool is they pretty much gave you everything you need. So we're just going to copy this one as an example. This one's for a sensor I have that just identifies if we're in the month of January. We're going to go right here. And that's literally it. That is how simple they made this. So just as a quick review, we'll go back to our configurations.yaml and you make a new one called template. And you just put everything in there, and then one by one you systematically copy everything from the sensor down. And just do that. What's important to note though is as you do these, it would probably be good for you if you went in here and cleared these out as you did them. That way if you do restart or have to pause or whatever you do, you'll know that these are what you have left. Now, if this helped you at all, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm trying to get this whole YouTube thing going.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.